Hi and welcome to this introduction into the modular grid environment of Bitwig Studio. If you're anything into creative sound, modular synths, or just love creating unique sounds, you're in for quite the discovery in Bitwig Grid. So what is the grid? Simply put, it's Bitwig's modular sound design environment powering a set of very flexible devices. You can think of it as a sonic playground, maybe like Lego, where you connect different modules with virtual patch cables to create custom effects and instruments. Before we look at the user interface and introduce the basic concepts of the grid, let's first take a look at some really exciting, beautiful patches that you can build with the grid in Bitwig Studio. So first off, you can of course build your own custom instruments and synths from scratch using oscillators, filters, envelopes, and more intricate devices. Now don't panic if these words and concepts are all new to you, because throughout the course we are going to explain how basic synthesis works, so you get a great understanding of synthesis. In the grid you can create exciting effects like reverbs, delays, distortions and modulators, crafted and tailored to your specific sound. Like in this example, we have some really cool delays going on the drum kit. In the grid we can also manipulate MIDI data in innovative ways, creating stuff like sequencers, arpeggiators, and of course your favorite, generative music tools. In the grid we can use control signals or audio to manipulate and control parameters elsewhere, opening up new realms of dynamic interaction. Right, so the grid isn't just your ordinary feature, it's an entire ecosystem encouraging experimentation and really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with sound design. And that's why we see so many modern artists leaning towards the Bitwig Studio's modulators and this grid system. Right, so to gain access to the grid in Bitwig Studio, you need to purchase Bitwig Studio Edition. So if you have the Producer or the Essentials Edition, you won't have access to the grid environment to create your own custom devices. Now, one of the student benefits of enrolling one of my courses here at Mondio Media Education is that you're going to be liable to purchase the Bitwig Studio EDU version at a discounted price. So normally at the making of this video the original price is €399, but you will be liable to purchase the Bitwig Studio EDU version at €269. And to be clear, the Bitwig Studio EDU version is the same as the Bitwig Studio Flagship Edition, so you will have access to the grid environment if you purchase Bitwig Studio EDU. So make sure you check out the details at the student benefits page at my mondiomediaeducation.com website. Okay, thanks for checking out this grid introduction episode, and if you want to learn more, make sure you sign up to my Bitwig Grid Unlocked course over at edu.mondiomedia.com, and I'll teach you everything you need to know to create cool instruments and effects in Bitwig the Grid. My name is Matthias, see you in the next episode. Bye!